Hello children, today we will start exercise 12.1 of page number 234. Children, see the first question of this exercise. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. Okay, see the first part. Here we have to write as expression for this statement. Subtraction of z from y. For this we will write y minus z. Okay, because here subtraction of z from y. Y minus z. Okay. Now our second statement is 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. For this children, our statement will be 1/2 x plus y. 1/2 into x plus y. Here 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. We will write like this. Okay. Now see the third part of this question. The third part is the number z multiplied itself. Children, for this we will write here the number z multiplied by itself. That means z into z. And z into z, what? Z is square. Okay. Here we will get z square. Now see the fourth part of the question. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. Okay. So for this children we will write 1/4. For 1/4 we will write 1/4. And numbers p and q are in product. So we have to write in product. So p into q. So our here statement will be 1/4 p q. Okay. Now see the fifth part of the question. Numbers x and y. X and y both squared like this and added. So children, here this is expression we will write for the statement fifth. Okay. Now children, see the sixth part. Here number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Okay. Here number 5 is added to. Okay. So here I am writing plus 5. And this 5 is added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Product of numbers m and n is mn. Okay. m n. Okay. Our expression will be 3mn plus 5. Now see the seventh statement. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So what we will write first? We will write first 10. Okay. And expression will be 10 minus product of numbers yz means yz. Okay. Now students, see the last part of the question number 1. Last part of the question 1 is sum of numbers a and b. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Okay. How we will write? Sum of numbers A and B subtracted from their product. A into B. AB. Okay. Now I think it is clear. Sum of the numbers A and B subtracted from the product. So A into B we will write first. After that minus A plus B we will write in the bracket. Okay. The sum we will show in the bracket. Understood, children? Now children, see the question number 2. Question 2, first part. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. Okay, tree diagram, sorry. Here see the A part of question number 2, x minus 3. Okay, the first expression we have got x minus 3. We will draw now tree diagram for x minus 3. Now see how you will draw tree diagram for x minus 3. In the expression x minus 3, you can see two terms. Okay, this and this. Okay, so first term we will write here x, and the second term is minus 3, which we will write here. Okay. Now children, see the second part of this question. In the second question, first B part, expression is 1 plus x square. Okay. Here you can see three terms. Okay. Now 1, x and x square we will write. Okay. After writing all the terms, we will write its factor. Okay. So factor of x square is what? X into x means x and x. Okay. First you have written expression, after that you have written terms, and then you will write factors of the term. Okay. Now see the C part of question number 2 first. Okay. In the C part we have got the expression y minus y cube. Children, first we will write terms of y minus y cube. Okay. We will write terms separately. The first term is y and the second term is minus y cube. Okay. Now we will write factors of minus y cube. Okay. Here no need to write any factor because it's y, it is y only. Here minus y cube. Okay. So to write factors for this, what we will write? Here see children. First thing we will write minus 1. Okay. You know that 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. So here what we will write first? Minus 1, and y cube means y into y into y. So here y and one more y we will write here. Okay. Now children, see the D part of the question. Now the given expression is 5xy square plus 7x square y. Here also we can see two terms. Okay. Now we will write both the terms separately. Here the first term 5xy square and the second term 7x square y. Now we will write factors of these both. Okay. We will write first 5. Okay. Here only 1x So here x only we will write. Here y square we can see. Okay, so for y square we will write y and one more y. Okay, now the second term is 7x square y. Now for this we will write factors. Okay, here 7 and then x and one more x we will write, because here x square is there, and only one y we will write. Okay, children, now I think you are clear about tree diagram. Children, E part of this question you have to do. Now students, see the question number 2, second part. Identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. Okay, children, here I will explain you A to E part, F part you will solve yourself. Okay. Children, for this question we will draw a box, and that box we will divide in 3 parts. Okay. In the first part we will write expressions. Okay. And after that, in the second column we will write terms of the given expression, and in the last column we will write factors of the terms. Okay. Now see the first expression. Here the first expression is minus 4x plus 5. Children, here we can see 2 terms. The first term is minus 4x and the second one is 5. Now we will write factors of the term minus 4x. Okay. Here first factor is minus 4 and the second factor is x. Okay. Now for 5 we will write 5 only. Okay. Now see the second expression, minus 4x plus 5y. Here the first term is minus 4x, the second term is 5y. Okay. Now we will write factors of minus 4x. So the first factor is minus 4 and the second factor is x. Okay. Here what we will write? 5 and y. Okay. Now see the C part of the question number 2. Here 5y is the first term, 3y square is the second term. Now factors 5, y. 3y square, children, what we will write? 3y, y. Okay. 3y, y. Okay. Because 3y square, here you have got 3 factors. Okay. Now come on, D part. xy plus 2x square y square. Here also we can see only 2 terms. Here xy and the second term is 2x square y square. Okay. Now factors of xy, x, y. Factors of 2x square y square, 2, x, x. Okay. X you will write for x square. Like this you will write y for y square. Now E part, PQ plus Q. First term is PQ and the second term is Q. Okay. Here we will write factors of the term PQ. Like this we will write P, Q. Okay, and here what we will write? Q only. Okay. Children, I have explained till E part of this question. Part F, G and H. You will solve yourself. Now look at the question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expression. Okay, we have to find here numerical coefficient of the terms. Okay, children, for this question also we will draw a box and we will divide the box into 4 columns. In the first column we will write serial number, and in the second column we will write the given expressions, in the third terms, and in the last one coefficients. Okay, so which type of terms we have to write here? Terms which is not a constant. Okay, and here which type of coefficients we have to write? We have to write here numerical coefficient. Okay, here which term is not constant? Here minus 3t. Okay, this 5 is a constant. Okay, so here we will write only minus 3t. Okay, and we have to write numerical coefficient according to the question. So numerical coefficient of minus 3t is minus 3. Children, see the question once again. Here question is identify the numerical coefficient. Okay, a numerical coefficients term other than constant. Other than constant means we will not take this in the following expression. Okay, so here we will write first the term and after that we will write the coefficient. This term will be not right because it is a constant term. Okay, constant numerical term. Now see the second part. Here 4 terms we can see. 1, t, t square and t cube. Children, here the numerical coefficient of t is 1, t square is also 1 and t cube also 1. Okay, children, by mistake I have written 1 will not be written because 1 is a number. Okay, so we can't write it. We cannot write here constant term. Okay, now children, see the third part of the question. The given expression is x plus 2xy plus 3y. The first term x we can write. It's not a constant term. Here 2xy and 3y. Okay, now we have to write numerical coefficient. Okay, so numerical coefficient of x is 1. Okay, x means what? 1 into x. Okay, so 1 is a factor of every number. You know this thing. So here what we will write? 1. Okay, coefficient of the term x is 1 and coefficient of numerical coefficient of 2xy is 2, and here numerical coefficient of 3y is 3. Okay, now let's see fourth part. Here 100m and 1000m. Okay, in this expression you haven't got any constant term. Okay, so here first we will write 100m and then 1000m. Okay, here numerical coefficient of 100m is 100 and numerical coefficient of 1000m is 1000. After this you see the fifth part of this question. Here we have got 2 terms and any constant term we can't see here. Okay, So we have only two terms, minus p square q square and 7p q. Children, for minus p square q square, what can we write as numerical coefficient? Minus 1. Okay? Minus 1. Understood? And for 7pq, we can write 7. Okay, children? Now, after fifth part, see the sixth part of this question. Here, 1.2a. 1.2a and 0.8b. We have these two terms, okay, and any constant term is not there in this part also. And now we will write numerical coefficient of 1.2a. Numerical coefficient is 1.2 and its numerical coefficient is 0.8. Now come on the next part of this question. Here the seventh part is 3.14 r square. Okay, and here only one term you can see in this expression. So here we will write 3.14 r square. Now we will write numerical coefficient of this term, 3.14. Children, in this question I have explained till 7th part. Last two parts, children, you will do yourself. Now, for today, only this much. In the next video, we will continue this exercise from question number 4. Thank you.